Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is October 14, 2021. I want to talk about top stocks with heavy insider buying. So with that, let's jump in. We'll talk about market update, spotting trends, and look at the stocks with the heavy insider buying and look at the best of best. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin, and also low RSI. So with that, let's go to Thinkorswim to get a quick market update. So as you look through here, S&P 500 trending higher today, two nice updates here, and Nasdaq trending higher, and we got Dow Jones Industrial Average also trending higher, as well as Russell 2000 trending higher. All are indicating a nice opening today with a nice bounce. And as you look through the bonds here very quickly, let's go into bonds. So as you look through here, bonds are a little bit weakening. Stock market goes up, bonds come down, which is a normal tendency here. And also here, interest rates, I think they dropped 2 days, now showing a small higher opening here. And as you look through here, energy is doing great. It's a rocket ship here. I think we should be careful with energy. And then we got here gold. Gold is also showing nice bounce here. That's a good one here. And as you all know, even though there is a nice opening here, nice bounce from a broader market perspective, a macro perspective, we are still in a inflationary environment. So we got to be careful. And Fed is going to be start tapering the bond buying program that can apply some pressure on the stock market. And we got the supply chain shortage, supply chain issues, semiconductor shortage. That's also playing out here. So that's why, be a little careful. If you're a trader, make sure you can take some money off the table with this move here and have the cash available to scoop up nice, good stocks at a lower price. So with that, let's jump in now and look at how do we spot the trends with ETFs. So with that, I got here a list of top ETFs with volume here. Look here, we got SPY on the top here, S&P 500 ETF, mother of all ETF. Look here, it's it's below its 220-day moving average. It's below 50-day moving average. So it's telling you right now SPY is struggling in the shorter term, even though longer term it's doing nicely. So same sentiment in the QQQ here. QQQ is also struggling a little bit in 50-day and even 20-day. It's a little bit weaker. Even it's struggling on the 120-day. So what I would do in these scenarios, buy some quality stocks in SPY and QQQ as it's showing some shorter term pain here with a little bit bearishness here. And on the other hand, look at silver here. Silver is doing okay in 200-day moving average. It's about 200-day moving average by 11%. But it's showing a nice comeback here. I would scoop up some good silver stocks here and take it from there. Think about EXK, Endeavor, and a couple other silver stocks here. And as you look here, we got EWZ, Brazil. Brazil is getting clobbered here, as you can see here. I think it's trying to make some progress. I would buy some of these EWZ, shares. Look through the ETF here. Buy some quality stocks. You could even buy some, PAGs, which is down big time. And as you scan through here, we got FXI China here. China, as you can see, are making a comeback, even though it's down big 200-day moving average. See here, we got a comeback here in 20-day, nice 3.5%. And we got Chinese intelligence stocks. All these stocks got clobbered big time. Look here, nice comeback in 5-day and 10-day, and 20-day moving average is really up here. That's a good story here. Both 20-day and 50-day moving average are higher than the current price. Tells you these Chinese stocks are making a comeback. On the other hand, as you look through here, we got a little bit negative 20-day moving average here, which is XLV. Healthcare, with all these vaccine stocks going down, healthcare is taking a beating. Good time to look at some healthcare stock and buy them slowly. Look, healthcare is down in 20-day moving average perspective, 50-day moving average perspective, even 120-day moving average. So that's why it's good to scoop up some of those healthcare stocks slowly and go from there. In a nutshell, China is making a comeback. Broader averages are a little bit weaker. Healthcare is a little bit weaker. We could look at those segments and make some buying decisions there. So with that, let's jump in here and look at the stocks with the heavy insider buying. When there is a heavy insider buying, that tells you these insiders have a lot of conviction. They think stock price is going higher because they know their company better. They're putting their money and buying their own stock. So with that, here we got top stocks with the heavy insider buying. Look here, we got insider buying percentage here. So it tells you stocks like TLGT, Intelligent, 33-cent stock, insiders are buying hand over fist here. So that's why it's a low market cap stock, can be easily manipulated. As you scan through here, stock is trying to make a small comeback here. If you are a penny trader, you could buy some TLGT here. And right now RSI is low, and you could play with that. As you scan through, we got a few more. Callahan, on the other hand, CPE stock has made a nice move already. RSI is higher. Tells you, hey, caution here. Don't buy at this time. Wait for a pullback here. And as you scan through here, we got a few more. Keep watching the RSI here. If it is higher, don't go right now. Wait for a pullback. On the other hand, if the RSI is lower, like MICT here, it's a very small price here, $1.60, very small market cap, and nice sales growth in 1 year. Look here, low RSI. But stock has made a move here. If you want, you could buy some. Still, RSI is lower, but stock has made a move here. You've got to be a little bit careful, caution with this yellow sign here. So we got a few more here. Sentinel-1, one of my favorite cybersecurity play here. As you scan through here, this stock also has made a move, but I think this one is still a good one to buy slowly and take it from there. And as you look through here, you got a few more. You could scan through them. Look at the stocks where both insiders as well as institutions buying, like Ashford. You could buy some of the Ashford stock here, given it's a low RSI 46. And we got one more here, BBI. Same story here. Both insiders, institutions buying, and low RSI. And we got a few more. ONTX, same story, $3.73. Both insider institutions buying and low RSI. When the RSI is high, indicated by red here, apply some caution. Don't try to jump in there. Wait for a little pullback. And we got one more page here. Same story here. Look at what insiders are doing, institutions are doing. As an example, Jakks here. Even though both insiders and institutions buying, look here, there is stock has made a good move. So you got to wait a little bit for a small pullback here in Jakks before you jump in. Right now, RSI, as you look through here, is 45. You could still buy some Jakks here, but understand stock has made a big move in last 5 days or so. And we got a few more here. SelectQuote is one of my favorite here. As you look through, nice sales growth, nice gross margin, also nice net margin. And right now RSI is 46. You could buy SelectQuote here. Stock is trying to turn around. And we got a few more here. Watch what stocks are doing. If they've already made a nice move indicated by yellow highlight here, don't jump in. Instead, look at the low RSI candidates and go with those. And we got one more page here, same thought process here. So with that, let's do one thing. You might be wondering, hey, you know what, a lot of stocks here, boil it down to me, let me know what the short list. So that's for you folks here. So for you who want to grow the portfolio safely with the stocks having nice sales growth, nice gross margin, this list is for you. And also low RSI, so that way you don't get burnt when you buy stock at a higher price. So here we got a very short list here. These are the ones where we got nice rule of 40 here with quarter over quarter sales growth, gross margin greater than 40%. RSI is low, as you can see here. All the RSI here below 50, so it's a good buying point right now. And as you scan through, there's a high insider buying. These are the for the folks where you want to be a little bit careful. You don't want to get burnt out. You want to play safe. this is for you, with a nice sales growth, nice gross margin, as you can see here, and also high short ratio and low RSI. You could safely buy some of these stocks here and take it from there. What I will do is I will look at one stock so you get an idea. Let's go to SelectQuote and go to Thinkorswim and see how to make sense of out of it. So let's go here, SelectQuote. Let me go to a quick chart here. All right. So SelectQuote, as you can look through here, stock is trying to struggling a little bit, but trying to make a nice comeback, as you can see here. And look here, DMI chart. DMI chart is telling you, hey, you know what, stock is trying to turn around. This is called a bullish crossover. So stock is really trying to cross over from bearish to a bullish sentiment here. Nice on the balance volume. I love this. So I think it's a good one to buy slowly and accumulate. And check in money flow perspective, money is flowing pretty steady here. So I would go with SelectQuote here. You could buy stock outright. Right now IV percentile is a little bit high, above 50. I would not recommend you to buy call option. You could buy stock outright, or if you want to sell some put option underneath, you could do that too. So that way when stock comes down, you could buy at a lower price. So with that, let's jump in back here. Thank you very much. This is some quick cheat sheet for you. When to buy, when to sell. Buy when the RSI is lower, below 55. I even like below 40. And when the on the balance volume is rising. On the other hand, from an exit point perspective, when the RSI goes higher than 60, if you're a trader, try to take some chips off the table. But if you're an investor, you can hold on to it. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.